If you're receiving or applying for long-term disability benefits, what you post online could be used against you. Insurance companies are increasingly monitoring claimants' social media profiles in search of information that they can use to deny or even terminate benefits, even if that means taking posts out of context.
Hi, I'm Leah Small, a managing attorney here at Chisholm and Kilpatrick, a leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Joining me is Maura Black, a partner here at CCK Law. Today, we'll be discussing 3 ways insurance companies use social media against long-term disability claimants and offer tips on how you can protect yourself against these tactics. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content.
Thanks, Leah. Insurance companies, as you've mentioned in other videos, don't want to approve long-term disability claims if they can help it. And one of the ways they do that is by monitoring claimant social media accounts. The first way an insurer can use social media posts against a claimant is by using photos or videos to challenge the claimant's physical limitations. Can you explain this a little bit further?
Absolutely. So what may feel to you like an innocent photo can become evident against your long-term disability claim. For example, if you post a picture of yourself from a family barbecue, you may be sitting down and smiling. But the insurance company may claim that this proves you're socially active and physically capable of working in a sedentary job. It's not uncommon for insurance companies to take photos out of context all the time, and even one photo can be misrepresented as proof that your condition has improved or is not as severe as you claim. Additionally, social media posts don't show what happened before or after the photo, like increased pain, fatigue, or the time it took to recover from that activity. Rather, insurance companies may simply use photos of you walking, traveling, attending events, or exercising to suggest you're not as physically limited as you claim.
So, Leah, as you've just explained, social media posts can work against an LTD claimant for a condition that causes physical limitations. What about social media activity as evidence of mental wellness or mental work capacity?
So yes, like physical limitations, social media posts can be used to draw conclusions about claimants' mental health or cognitive functioning as well. For example, if you're a claimant who's claiming that your depression or anxiety prevents you from working, a single upbeat or humorous post could be misinterpreted as proof that you're doing okay emotionally. Similarly, frequent posting could be used to argue that you're alert, you're organized, and again, that you're capable of working. And if you're sharing articles, jokes, or inspirational quotes on social media, again, that can be used as evidence of emotional stability. And from a cognitive perspective, long, coherent comments or posts can be used to challenge your claims of cognitive impairment. And if you're posting or active on LinkedIn, that may raise red flags with an insurance company that you're updating your skills or engaging with professional contacts in an effort to try and return to work.
And a third way that an insurance company can use social media posts against an LTD claimant is when they're looking for contradictions between the claim and what the claimant is posting online. Can you get into that a little bit?
So it's common that people often want to put only the best version of themselves on social media. But insurers will often scrutinize anything that contradicts claimants' medical records or the claim forms they've submitted. For example, if you go out for one birthday dinner and share that on social media, that could be used to question months of documented isolation or activity limits. Similarly, if you've reported to your doctor or the insurance company that you rarely leave the house, but then post about vacations or other outings, the insurance company may question your overall credibility. Likewise, claiming fatigue or pain while sharing photos from social events or other physical activities can undermine your reported symptoms. And even supportive comments from friends, such as "you look great," can be taken out of context by the insurance company. Even if these inconsistencies may seem small or innocent, unfortunately, it can damage your trustworthiness in the eyes of the insurance company claims examiner.
This is so interesting. So now that we've gone over 3 ways that insurers could potentially, as you say, may use social media postings against LTD claimants, can you now offer some tips on how claimants can protect themselves against these kind of tactics or prevent the possibility that these inconsistencies would be drawn?
So it's always a good idea to set all social media profiles to private so you limit who is able to view your posts. Additionally, it's a good idea to avoid posting photos, updates, or comments that could easily be taken out of context by an insurance company. Similarly, it's a good idea to ask your friends and family not to tag you or post about you without your permission. And when in doubt, simply just stay offline. Or if you are going to be online, assume the insurance company is watching.
That's all very helpful. Thank you, Leah. Social media can feel personal, but once you file for long-term disability benefits, your online presence can become actually a part of your claim. Again, insurers look for any reason to delay, deny, or terminate benefits. And protecting your claim means being mindful of what you share and how it might be misinterpreted. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content in the future. Take care.